Do you want to rescale your pixelated low-quality photo for free? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly rescale your photos for free, using the power of AI. So let's get started. Click on the link given in the description of the video. You will redirect on this website. Now just upload your photo clicking here. Select the photo. As you can see, the quality of this photo is very poor and is pixelated. I select this photo, then scroll down a little. Choose the version 1.4. Choose the rescaling factor. Let's say I choose 4. Click on the submit. In just some seconds, the results are here. As you can see, the image quality is on next level and is totally free. Click on the download button, and here is your upscaled image. Here's the before and after. If you want to get swiftly skilled and easily thrilled, subscribe Speedy Skills.